854 Woodtack. So we have tile at the entry, and it changes over to carpet. The walls are blue. Those are the correct blinds. And we have laminate in the kitchen. Undermount sink, that's great. Add a gooseneck and a blind. Okay, these blinds need to change. There is an in-ground pool. Okay, I'm not going in the back just in case there's a dog, but we don't do in-ground pools, so I'm just going to note that. That needs a blind, that needs a blind. Okay, so let's assume they all need blinds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're at 5 blinds right now. Carpet looks good. Here's a water heater. It looks like it has a pan. I'm not positive. No, something's just wrapped around it. Okay. Junk the fridge. I'd have a junking budget in there. Raised panel doors is great. Definitely a pet scratching at that door. I'll come back. Carpet looks good. So we're at blind 6. No light kit on that fan. That's fine. We don't always have light kits in extra rooms. Whitewashed, I think that's what it's called. Sort of older color style. Replace this with something simple. The drain ring in the tub probably needs replaced. That's probably why they have the rag over it. Fix these closet doors so it's lined up properly. It's great that they have artificial turf in the backyard. Clean up that palm tree. We do a one-time landscaping for all the properties. We have tile in here. This is interesting. Okay. Maybe finish off the sides of this tile here. I'm not sure. Maybe get a normal shower head. That's the PM, the property manager call. Cool light fixtures. Undermount sinks, cool faucets. They're cool, but they're not too expensive. We don't like things that are too expensive because when they break, you have to replace it like for like. Okay, let's go in that room. I lost count of the blinds, but we need to replace that blind. Okay, that's it. And replace this tile, so replace this with tile at $5 a square foot. And maybe replace it here as well. That should be it.